If you don't learn these 5 rules, you will probably work for money your entire life, but never truly be free. It sounds harsh, yes, because it's true. Most people stay broke not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't learn how money actually works. But here is the good news. You don't need a crazy salary or finance degree to break free. You just need to follow the right rules. Stick with me till the end because today I am giving you 5 simple and important rules that separates the financially free from those who struggle forever. I promise you this video could change your financial future forever. Rule number 1. Set clear financial goals. Alright, first things first. You need a clear financial goal because here is the thing. If you don't know where you are going, how do you expect to go there? It's impossible. Think about it like if you go on a road trip without a destination, you will just waste time and gas. If you try to build a house without a blueprint, you will end up with a mess. Money works the same way. Without clear financial goals, you will always feel lost. Here is where most of the people go wrong. They say things like, I want to be rich, I'll save money someday, and someday never comes. No, if you want to fix it, use SMART goals. S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, and T for time bound. Here is the one action step for you. Take 5 minutes today to write your one financial goal. Trust me, this small step will change everything. Alright, now that you know where you are going, let's talk about how to control your money. Rule number 2, observe cash flows and budget. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you know exactly where your last paycheck went? If your answer is not really, you are not alone. Most of the people spend first and think later, and that's exactly why they feel broke. Even if they earn good money, you can fix it in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Track your income and expenses. You can use simple notebook or Excel sheet to see where your money is going. Step 2. Follow 50, 30 and 20 rule. 50% for your needs, for example rent, food and bills. 30% on your wants, for example entertainment, travel and shopping. And remaining 20% on savings and investments. It will build future wealth. And step 3. Eliminate useless expenses. Check your subscriptions, impulse purchases, and eating out habits. Cut anything that don't add real value in your life. It will save a lot of your money. The key to wealth isn't just making money, it's keeping it. Budgeting is what separates the financially free from the financially stuck. Rule number 3. Build an emergency fund. Imagine this. You lose your job tomorrow. Your car breaks down. A medical emergency happens. Do you have enough saving to handle it? Most of the people don't. And that's why people fall in debt when life throws them a curveball. You can build an emergency fund in just 2 simple steps. Step 1. Save at least $1,000 as a starter emergency fund. And step 2. Gradually build up 3 to 6 months of living expenses. So the question is, why does this matter? When you have an emergency fund, unexpected expenses become inconveniences, not financial disasters. Know that you are financially protected. Let's talk about growing your money. Rule number 4, invest wisely for the future. Let me be blunt. Saving alone will never make you rich. Inflation eats away at your money. If your cash isn't growing, you are actually losing your money. So here's the question, how to invest in the smart way. You can start with index fund, for example S&P 500. Historically, it has around about 10% annual return. You can invest in real estate. Rental properties create passive income. You can invest in side hustles and businesses. Multiple income streams give financial security. Let me tell you about the power of compounding. If you invest $500 per month and you have 8% annual return, in 10 years you will have approximately $75,000. In 25 years you will have $350,000, and in 40 years you will have approximately $1.2 million. This is the power of compounding. The sooner you start, the more wealth you will build. The best time to invest was yesterday, and the second best time is right now. Rule number 5, plan for retirement now, no later. Most of the people think retirement is something to figure out later. That's exactly why so many people hit their 60s and realize they don't have enough money to stop working. Here is what you need to do now to avoid that fate. Number 1, start saving early. Number 2, automate your retirement contributions. Number 3, diversify your investments. And number 4, Consider passive income streams. Your future isn't something that just happens. It's built by the decision you make today. Set yourself up for retirement where you decide what to do with your time, not your financial situation. My dear friends, let's conclude this discussion now. Here is the truth. Most people will hear this advice and do nothing. They'll keep living paycheck to paycheck, wondering why money always feel like a struggle. But you have a choice. You now know the 5 rules that can change your financial future forever. Rule 1, set clear financial goals. Rule 2, track your money and follow a budget. Rule number 3, build an emergency fund. And rule number 4, invest wisely and let your money grow. And finally, rule number 5, plan for retirement now, not later. The question is, what will you do with this knowledge? Financial freedom doesn't come from wishing, it comes from action. Start with just one rule today. So what will be your first move? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video really helped you, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Let's go. Awais Ahmad signing off.